Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. Let's have some dinner. I am so hungry. I have here my rice and I bought a tulingan in Santa Lucia. And I ordered here a pancit molo. Wanna check? Hold on. I can't make it. But just one of my favorite here. Okay, so let's put some calamansi. What's in English in calamansi? Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Confe Abordo, to my sister Christine, to my childhood friend Helen Careto, to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, to all my Facebook viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, my first viewers also on here on YouTube, and to all my 11 lovely countries, Philippines, Philippines, India, Indonesia, United States. They fell on the number 4th spot, and India became number 2. Uzbekistan, Brazil, Malaysia, what's this? Malaysia, Germany, Mexico, United Kingdom, and Taiwan. Hi to each every one of you. I'm so hungry. Rice. You know what, guys and girls? For you to save money, bring rice, because most of the restaurants here are expensive when it comes on rice. So they didn't give me this serving spoon. So be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Come on, open your mouth. Love it? Love it. Hold on. Sign of the cross. Tastes so good. Before I forgot, happy 47th monthsary to each every one of you. Next month will be our 4th year anniversary. So congratulations to each every one of you. Thank you for the love and support that you gave on my channel. But for now, today is September 16, 2025. So yesterday was our 47th monthsary. I maybe upload this by tomorrow. But for now,